Shotgun it right now. Yeah, but shotgun it real quick.
Here you go, Cage.
Hell yeah.
I want that one.
Chug that motherfucker.
Here.
I'll chug a Sprite, man.
Alright, shotgun it.
No shotgun this.
No, shotgun that, dude. That makes you burp.
Is it video?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's videoing. It's videoing.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Huh?
Get Cage Sprite.
Here, I'm gonna shotgun this fucking. I'm gonna chug this bitch.
You gotta put a key in it. Put a key in it. Put a key in it. Shot. Oh, yeah. Kill it.
No. Whoa. I gotta go.
You shotgunning it. Come on, shotgun Jacob. Dude, what the fuck?
Dude, that shit about killed me.
Too much fucking fizz.
Burp. Burp, dude, burp. Let's see it. Big burp contest right now. Burp contest. Alright, Zach, here.
There needs to be a bigger hole.
Alright, now burp. You burp, Jacob.
I can't.
I love you, bro.
it. Do it. Alright,
Hey,
so
I'll be a
video
fucking
me,
minute,
video
I
me,
guess.
video me. I'm gonna down the Sprite. Video me.
Dude, you gotta fucking poke
Hold
a hole
it.
in that
I'm going
bitch.
to.
No, do it with the fucking key.
Here, let me see it.
No, it's better
Do it
with the
key.
knob.
No, it's not.
My
You just got a
Sprite.
little hole. You better twist that bitch when you stick it in there.
Oh my god.
No, yeah. Stab that bitch.
There we go. I burped. Finally.
Hold it! You ready?
Put it in your mouth. Go to your mouth. Go.
Go, go, go.
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 He can't do it.
Hey, watch your super.
Yeah.
Hold on, we got burp. Hold on.
Bloopers.
I can't do it. What the fuck?
Come, watch.
It'll come. Come on. Hit it. Come on.
Fucking work.
Alright, peace out, guys. Fallen Cypress with a funny video for all you guys out there trying to have a good day. Say what's up to my nigga Zack.
What's up?
Oh, yeah, bloopers behind the scenes. Hey, say what's up to my nigga Jacob.
What's up?
J-Tom. Hey, we hit you up later. That's the boy we're playing Pokemon with. You remember him? Yeah, he probably gonna be frequent on the channel.